Right, question number 8 is about some apple crumble and it's made using these ingredients. Here's the list of ingredients, and the important part of this ingredient list is it tells you that it serves 6 people. Part A, this person makes apple crumble to serve 12 people. Now, how much flour should he use? The flour for 6 people is 120 grams. So we want double that because that's 12 people. That's a really easy question to answer. So doubling 120, if you want, you can use your calculator. Doubling is timesing by 2, so 120 multiplied by 2 gives you 240. That would be 240 grams to write down in the answer space. B, this person makes apple crumble for 2 people. So again, we can see that that's a nice number that fits into 6. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. So we need 3 times as not as much butter. So again, we can divide this number by 3, and we're going to find out how much butter they're going to need to make the apple crumble for 2 people. Again, you can use your calculator if you want. 30 divided by 3 will give you 10 grams for 2 people. This person has 1.3 kilograms of apples and plenty of the other ingredients. We have to work out if she can make apple crumble for 15 people, and we need to explain how we got the answer. So this is where I would use the calculator and I'd work out how much of each part of the ingredient you need for one person, then work out how much you need for 15 people and see if we've got enough. And I'd be looking specifically at the apples because that's the one thing that she's got a certain amount of. Everything else she's got loads of apparently. So I'm going to work out how much we need for one person, and to do that we take the 550 grams of the apple, 550, and divide it by the number of people that it serves, which is 6, and we find out that for one person we need 91.6 recurring, and it's just this calculus rounded that up. 91 and 2/3 of an apple if we wanted 91 and 2/3 of grams of apples if we need this is how much we need for one person. Get the words out in a second. So 91.6, that's not even 91. 91.6 recurring grams for one person. Now we've got that number on the calculator. What we need to do is multiply that by 15, and we're going to find out that we need that much. And the calculator's done a weird thing here. It's just rounded. It's taken that 7. Ignore this part of it. 1,375 grams for 15 people. Now that's the apples. That's the apples, and that's the one we needed to work out. So she has, and let's convert 1.3 kilograms into grams. 1.3 kilograms, which equals, and there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram, so 1,300 grams of apples. She needs 1,375. So the answer to our question, can she make enough apple crumble for 15 people? She can't make enough as she is 75 grams short. Okay, and what we've done here is enough of an explanation to get the marks on this question.